Hello. Hello. I'm an egg. Welcome to episode 1 of part 1. Welcome to part 1 of how to be an adult. Today, I got back from work and made me some soup. And I wanted to have some chips and salsa, but I'm out of chips. So I was like, hey, not a big deal. Why don't I just make chips? And I pulled out the pan, and I pulled out the corn tortillas, and I didn't have any oil. Oh, it's the cops. Anyway. Since I don't drive, I'm gonna take the bus. Hopefully I can catch the bus. It's on a weird route system right now. Because as always, there's construction going on in Denton. On every road imaginable. So I'm hoping I can just find a spot and the bus will pick me up. Well, it sounded like the bus braking, but I don't know where. I have $7 in my account, and I don't get paid till Wednesday. So I'm living off of ramen, soup, and leftover pork. I'm at the bus stop. I checked the app and the bus doesn't get here for another 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna sit here. Just sitting on the ground. What's up, Moon? That's not my bus. Anyway, what's that Moon? Update. The buses stopped running. So I'm just gonna go to CVS and check out their prices. Since CVS is right here. Oil acquired. I just got home. And now I'm gonna show you how to make your own chips. Necessities to make your own chips. Oil, pan. Make sure there's no water in it, because water will pop at you if it's in oil. Fun fact. Salt, corn tortillas. I keep them in the fridge because I'm a weirdo. First things first, turn on the pan to I don't know, medium or something. Pour your oil into the pan. Blah, 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 blah. Just enough to where it's I don't know, a centimeter deep. For you Americans, it's like if you have a nubby fingernail and then you dip it in and it goes past, and then your fingernail is kind of oily, but not all of your fingernail. That's like a centimeter. And then you just kind of let that heat up for a minute. While you're doing that, take out tortillas. Did I mention you need something to cut them with? Korean cooking scissors. I say Korean because I got them from the Korean market. But, you know, cooking scissors, yay! You can use a knife. I'm not telling you what to use to cut. If you put your hand over, not in, over, and it feels, you know, warm-ish, put it in. I'm not telling you how many to put in, but make sure they all have a little bit of space to themselves. Just kind of like drench them a bit. And while those are still cooking, because it's warm, not hot, warm, just kind of sprinkle some salt on it. Once you notice like the tortillas themselves starting to like bubble up, give it like a couple more seconds. See like the bubbles on it that it made? They kind of deflated. But once they start making bubbles, you can flip them over. And you can see they're starting to turn like a deep yellow. By the way, these are yellow corn tortillas. If you don't use yellow, then they won't be yellow. Fun fact. Once you flip them over, add another layer of salt, and just wait. If they start getting crunchy, you can take them out. If you want them crunchier, then leave them in a little longer. Try not to burn them unless you want them burned. And then you just kind of, usually I would put a paper towel at the bottom of my plate to catch all the extra oil. But I don't have any paper towels and they were too expensive at CVS. So we're barebacking it.
Hola, señorita. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Mike. Me llamo Mike. ¿Dónde está el baño? Feliz cumpleaños. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora
Here they
es?
are, my beautiful
La,
chips.
la, 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 la.
And that's how you
Me
make
gusta
chips.
la biblioteca.
Let them cool off
Vivo
first.
en la
Because
casa
touching stuff
roja.
fresh out of the
Yo
stove
tengo
hurt.
dos bicicletas.
Dip them in your
Muchos
choice of dip.
gracias
My
y de
choice is some
nada.
salsa
¿Cuántos
that I got from
años
this
tienes?
bomb-ass Mexican
Un
restaurant.
momento,
Then you
por
just
favor.
enjoy.
It's the one semester Spanish love song. Mi mamá es bonita, mi gato es muy blanco. Perdóneme, perdóneme. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3 y 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.